E-commerce with two-digit growth rates is a clear driver for the packaging industry. Primary and especially secondary packaging needs to be reinvented for e-tailers. Not only do big operators, but small niche specialists at the end of the long tail need solutions, highly standardized in the shape, with customized finishings, to optimize shopping experience, sustainability, and minimum waste. In e-commerce, the shopping experience happens where the final customer is, and key moments start when the order is delivered with packaging. Get inspired about what digital inkjet printing with EFI Nozomi C18000 offers to packaging. EFI Nozomi provides the highest quality single-pass inkjet printing that adds new value to e-tailer service. Improved design packaging is best aligned with the product you are delivering. Additionally, digital printing makes easy and affordable versions, collections, variations, etc. Making one box different from another is possible and cost-effective with inkjet printing. Finally, thanks to EFI Nozomi's unique white ink used as a base, you can keep your brand colors to make your brand stand out even in the most functional boxes. Boost your brand with seasonal campaigns, explore advertising and communication possibilities, offer something new to your partner brands, refresh the shopping experience for end users, say hello to customization and consider cross-selling, segmented promotions, etc. in real boxes, and take the most of data mining. All these in a nicer and appealing packaging that can help building your brand attributes such as trust, dynamism, fun, style, etc. This is real, and it is available for you, only with the most powerful single-pass industrial inkjet printer for corrugated. EFI Nozomi C18000.